Jericho Alfonso.
And he comes up with a steal. Jericho drops it down low. Time to shoot. Down to 3. And that one goes in for Jericho Alfonso.
Was
Pero nawala
gonna
yung
say.
bola. But both don't miss. Alfonso, the crossover. The drive. The basket and one.
Using his offhand, the lefty layup. Jericho Alfonso. Not looking like that drink that head coach Rod Garcia was talking about.
Remaining here in the first.
Back to Alfonso.
Alfonso has it.
Shot clock 10.
Two-man game sila dito ni Julius Sparkin.
Basket and one.
But Jericho Alfonso drops it down low. Julius Sparkin.
2 points.
You gotta love how Julius or Alfonso is setting up his teammates for those shots.
Now to Parkin. Butata ang inabot. Kay Joey Pangulan at Jericho Alfonso recovers the Pangulan. Jericho Alfonso, short stamp goes in.
82-75.
Jericho Alfonso steps into a 3 and he nails. There you go Chad Gamad. But he's fouling it.
Shot clock 10. Crossover.
Oh!